Welcome, dear learners. I am Dr. Ashu Tomar. Will be starting today's lecture on the topic process of writing a report. Generally, there are 5 steps which are followed while we are writing a report. First of all, we have to investigate the source of information from where we have to collect the information data. Like, for example, we have to write a seminar report, and our organization is organizing a seminar in conference hall of the company. It means we will get the information by reaching over there in conference hall of our company. So we will reach over there so that we can note down the details, information which we will use for writing a report in detail. Because in the organization also these responsibilities of writing a report is a common thing. Next one is taking notes. Now we have reached over there at that particular venue. Now we are going to note down the information, details in a summarized form. That is why it is notes. भाई ज़्यादा डिटेल में हम नोट नहीं कर पाएंगे, इसीलिए हम उनकी शॉर्ट हैंड नोट्स बना लेंगे जो कि हमें बाद में समझ आ जाए. The third step is of analyzing the data. Now complete information is collected by us. Now we will have an analysis. पहले क्या आना चाहिए, सेकंड पे क्या आना चाहिए, कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, क्या सिस्टमेटिक फॉर्म है. Fourth one is making an outline. Then we will start preparing the rough outline of the report. We will do the editing, corrections, and then our final report is ready. So generally this is how we follow the steps while we are writing a report. Now this is a draft report. For example, if you'll get a topic on which you have to write a report. For that, this is an example. Now generally this is memo report. Here we are following the memorandum format of writing a report. Write a report on the negative effects of internet facilities. So generally these types of questions we get in the exam, and according to that we have to draft. This is the sender's address, to, from, within the department to whom we are sending. This is the date, subject. Otherwise, we even can write the subject at the center of the page. Then we will not repeat the subject over here. So it depends upon us how we are writing a report, but the complete information must be included in our report writing. Now this is basically the reference which we are giving. Reference in a sense that somebody has given us the responsibility of writing a report on this particular topic. Right? Then we have started with the first introduction basically. Now the topic of the report is negative effects of internet facilities. Now you already know that the too much usage of internet affect us in a negative way. Whether we are a student, whether we are a child, or whether we are a person, common man, teacher, doctor, everywhere, if the limit will be crossed, then automatically it will affect us in a negative way. So the same topic is there. We can start with the introduction that you have started with you had an interaction with the students, or you had a discussion, you had an interview, you even have consulted with the doctor, how many students visit there, what are the basic problems which are being faced by the people due to too much usage of internet. So this is how we are going to start with the second paragraph. Then the same thing is there, basically, that what are the common symptoms which we will found which are being found in the students after having the discussion with them. So जो भी आपने सर्वे किया उससे पता चला कि कितना स्टूडेंट्स को अफेक्ट कर रही है. डॉक्टर से फीडबैक लिया, फिर पता चला कि भाई हेल्थ डिजीज़ और हेल्थ इश्यूज़ भी हो रहे हैं, तो जिसकी वजह से ये हमारा फाइंडिंग्स हो गई हैं. देन वी हैव कोरिलेटेड इट विद एकेडमिक्स की इंटरनेट ठीक है, गुड है, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड और बैड. टू मच यूसेज ऑफ एनीथिंग विल बी affecting us in a negative way. It will have harmful effect on our हेल्थ। तो एकेडमिकली भी स्टूडेंट्स का इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हो रहा है, दे आर वेस्टिंग देयर टाइम, students are busy in watching movies 24/7, they are chatting through the internet, so this is impacting their academic standard too. उनका फिर हमने एक अनदर सिनारियो ले लिया कि भाई इसकी वजह से उनकी फूड हैबिट्स भी डिस्टर्ब हो रही हैं और लॉन्ग रन में उनका हेल्थ सफ़र करेगा। ये आपकी फाइंडिंग्स हो गई। आपको उसके बाद कंक्लूजन करना है। कंक्लूजन में आप क्या करेंगे, सजेशंस या फिर रिकमेंडेशंस देंगे, क्योंकि एक प्रॉब्लम एसोसिएटेड टॉपिक है। तो क्या कर सकते हैं भाई, लिमिट कर सकते हैं उनका कंप्यूटर लैब, अनडिज़ायरेबल साइट्स ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं, फिक्स टाइमिंग कर सकते हैं एक कंप्यूटर यूसेज और इंटरनेट यूसेज की, स्टूडेंट्स को फिज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ करनी चाहिए। इस तरह से आप कुछ सजेशंस लिख देंगे and ultimately you are going to conclude with a positive sense that I hope that this report will give you an insight into the nature of the problem, and then you are going to have the complementary clause, signature, name and the designation. This is a report which we will be writing if we will get such type of questions in the exam. Comment for your doubts. Notes के लिए Telegram channel join करें. The link is given in the description box.